Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering non-negotiables: water, food, and basic tools. Take 3 liters per person per day and pack at least 72 hours. Once done, add a manual can opener, flashlight with extra batteries, and a whistle for signaling. Buy a compact first aid kit or assemble bandages, antiseptic, and adhesive tape. Make sure to choose durable containers and label them clearly. You want immediate access during an emergency instead of searching. Next, focus on power, paperwork, and shelter. Pack a high-capacity portable charger and a small solar charger plus 2 spare charging cables so you can keep devices alive. Then secure waterproof copies of ID, insurance cards, prescriptions, and emergency contacts. Add $100 in small bills. For temporary shelter or repairs, include an emergency blanket, multi-tool, duct tape, and plastic sheeting. Once you've arranged these, organize items by frequency of use to speed retrieval under stress. Finally, tailor the kit to personal needs and verify usability. Pack a 7-day supply of prescription meds with dosage notes and copies of prescriptions. Include baby formula, diapers, pet food, leashes, and vaccination records if applicable. Once packed, perform a kit drill. Simulate a quick evacuation, open the kit, and check everything works. If something fails or expires, replace it immediately. One troubleshooting tip: if your power bank won't charge, swap cables and test the outlet before replacing the bank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.